Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, so that means definitely one thing. Robert and I have been to the market. I wrote the shortest shopping list in a very long time for this week. All the proteins, except for one, are coming out of our freezers. This is the last week of the month, technically, even though tomorrow's the first. So one of the recipes, matter of fact, the recipe I'm doing tonight, has two proteins. One of the proteins came out of the freezer, and with a little bit of planning. So last night, I did a fun little dish. And it was fun for a couple different reasons. It was the squash and feta frittata with za'atar spice blend. It was a frittata, super simple. It has the za'atar spice blend that I put together. But the plating was the fun part for me. Because as you know, I've been watching The Bear. A little bit of inspiration. So the pictures of this frittata, it's being plated, it's drizzled with good olive oil and lemon juice and has some extra feta cheese on top and fresh basil and parsley. Oh, it's very good. The recipe is up. It hit Facebook at about 8 o'clock this morning. So tonight, I'm doing a spicy Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. So there's the two proteins. I already had the shrimp on hand because we buy it in 2-pound bags, and we only used a pound the last time. And the sausage. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Dutch ovens, one for the pasta, one for the actual sausage and shrimp dish itself. I got a pound of shrimp, which I'll need to clean. Robin picked out this Cajun style andouille from Adele's. Linguine, chicken stock, a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, yellow onion, red pepper, some heavy cream, my Cajun blend, some Parmesan cheese, and some fresh flat leaf Italian parsley. I did not forget the garlic. It's garlic day. So definitely have some garlic in this dish. It's Cajun, of course. Robin and I picked up a couple sauces this week. One is the Tabasco sauce that I shared last week with the group. It's a sweet and spice sauce. It looks really good. We're going to try it out. And Robin, this caught her eye on an end cap. It's from Mazzetta, which is really known for their pepperoncinis and their other peppers and so forth. So this is a mild heat pepperoncini sauce that we're going to try out here in the next week or so. Like I said, it's garlic day. So on this Sunday, the last day of June, if you're in the heat wave, stay inside, hydrate. Yeah. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.